I'm saying it again that it is a fictitious story. It is not everybody's story. It is not how you become an actress. It is how he thought, his imagination. It's a story. So it's about Anjali. It is not about Sonia Agarwal. It is not about any other actress. That's what I kept saying from the beginning, that I could hardly relate to couple of the scenes, and I felt that I was lucky, I was blessed that I didn't have to go through that kind of struggle in my career. And I'm saying it again, that it's very rare that it happens, and when it happens, it's sad, and that's what he's tried showing, that people, the girls who come from no background and not a very well-to-do family, they have to go through all these things. They get cheated in the industry so many times. This movie doesn't mean that all the actresses have gone through this. It's about Anjali, it's not about anybody else. For me, majorly it was, other than the village background or anything, I think it was more of like how my mother, mother is the one who inspires me to become an actress. And in my life also, it was my mother who really, inspired me, who actually, it was her dream more than me, for me to become an actress. So I think that was the major part that I could relate to. That's what I'm saying. No, not rest of it. She hardly comes on the sets also. I'm happy. I mean, it's not about sadness or anything. Everybody has sadness. It's not that other professions people are all happy and they don't go through sadness in their life. What he tried showing was one portion of one emotion of an actress, and as I said, it is fictitious, and it is not that all the actresses are sad. We all are happy. We all have our sadness also inside us. Without all the kind of emotions today, I won't be a person, or I won't be an actress who would be able to emote at all on screen. I have to experience all kind of emotions in my real life for me to show it on screen. Not right now. Later on, see, after 5 years, 6 years, I really don't know. But at the moment, if you ask me, I never want to get married. Like how I said before, I couldn't have asked for a better role, because why I'm saying is playing an actress and the kind of confidence it needed for me to be there on the sets, and to play an actress again, you have to have that kind of aura, and you have to have that confidence, everything, which I had lost in between. And this role did help me to, come back to that level of confidence again. Yeah. Think, which is not going very easily. I think I'll have to take classes properly with some teacher who can take off this hesitation. It's like how swimming and, how driving is. It's just not going, but I understand Tamil very well. The competition, I don't think that I'm in a position right now where it's like, as a newcomer, I have to come and prove myself. I've already proven myself as an actress with my previous movies. So I have made a place for myself in the industry, and I have a kind of audience who likes me in certain ways. So I don't think that competition or anything, I'm standing in that league at all. I'm just going to continue doing what I feel that, I'm right for those kind of roles. See, for me, I'm still doing the same kind of a thing. I will not expose till the time there's no logic in the movie. I'm still very clear about it. I was clear like this some 4 years back also, and now also I'm very clear that I will not expose till the time there's a logic behind it. It's not really important. See, exposing is not like wearing a short skirt or wearing shorts. If you call that exposing, then I wear shorts in my normal life also, Everybody wears shorts nowadays. It's no more like, hiding thing. No, you can't expect one to wear sari and do anything. It's not about commercial movies. I think it's high time that people have started accepting girls wearing short dresses and, wearing short skirts and shorts at home. Everybody wears. So that's not exposing unless you're talking about a swimsuit. That is different. If tomorrow I listen to a script without logic, if my director is asking me to just wear a swimsuit for the commercial reasons, I will not do it. Yeah, I did it in Thiruttappayila, there was logic. I really felt good because acting was something that, I it was somewhere there back of my mind. I kept missing it. Something that I love doing. Maybe, you know, there was a point where I never wanted to enter acting field, or I was happy doing modeling back in Chandigarh, and it was my mom, as I said, that, you know, who wanted me to become an actress. But the moment I started actually realizing that, you know, this is my work, and I did Kal Kunde and I did 7G, after that suddenly quitting was very difficult for me. Those 3 years I really missed being on the sets, being, you know, acting, everything. So once I got back, it was really a good feeling for me. Something really that, you know, satisfied my inner self. That took away half of my sadness, I would say. Yeah, I have signed. I'm doing Tir also. Yeah.